The 2-minute rule. Every parent should know. Parenting doesn't have to be overwhelming. In this short video, I'll share the 2-minute connection rule, a simple, powerful strategy every parent can use to build a stronger bond with their kids. Here's how it works. After school, after work, or anytime your child returns from being away, stop what you're doing and give them 2 minutes of full attention. No phone, no distractions, just eye contact, a smile, and genuine listening. Why does it matter? Kids who feel connected are calmer, happier, and more cooperative. By practicing the 2-minute rule, you're not just reducing stress and tantrums. You're building trust, security, and love that lasts a lifetime. Parenting is about small, consistent moments. The 2-minute connection rule is one of those little habits that make a big difference. What's your favorite way to connect with your kids? Share in the comments. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick parenting tips, family hacks, and relationship insights.